PRTG stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. We Portage Biotech. Yeah, the price just kept melting and melting and melting. From higher time frame perspective, this is ultimately how this looks like. I'm not the biggest fan of this current chart. I know that a lot of you are probably, maybe even you, are looking at this for a potential short squeeze place, and I understand. But a market cap of like right around 5M, this could actually short squeeze, because everything is possible, you know. But I'm still going to stick to my edge that's given me thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands on courses and mentors. But with PRTG, what this will ultimately mean is that we're just going to keep seeing these expansions. Like in a span of like a day, we went from 3 to 11 to 12 actually. So that's like 4 times the price. And ultimately, I want to see those gradual increases in price. And if I don't, like, really not a problem. Not really a problem, you know, like ideally I would love to see like a proper shift, a double break. Other than that, everything is nice. So let me know what is your opinion on PRTG. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.